So accounting equation. This topic we started yesterday. Accounting equation is asset is equal to capital plus liability. So in a business organization, capital is a very important component because capital is used to create or purchase assets and capital is used to discharge liabilities. Capital has some components. The first one is your profit or loss. In a business organization, either you are going to earn profits or you are going to suffer losses. So any one of them, of these two, profit or loss. Then the additional capital or fresh capital, the capital that you will invest in the business apart from the initial capital that you have introduced, and this amount you will invest in the business for running the business smoothly is additional capital or fresh capital. Drawings, the goods or the money that you have withdrawn from the business for your personal use are called as drawings. Now, first of all, we will know how to calculate the capital at the end of the year. When you know how much you have initially invested in the business, what is the position of your profit or loss, if any, how much additional capital you have introduced in the business, and whatever amount that you have withdrawn from the business for your personal use. So in this case, we will start with capital at the beginning. To this we will add the net profit if we have earned the profit, and if the business has suffered a loss during the year, then it will be subtracted. So any one of them will be taken into consideration. Whatever additional capital has been introduced in that particular accounting period, that will be added, and the amount that has been withdrawn for personal use or the goods that have been withdrawn for personal use will be subtracted. The end result will be capital at the end. Now you know what is the capital at the end of the year, and you want to estimate or you want to ascertain that what was the position of your capital at the beginning of the year. In that condition, the second statement is to be taken into consideration. Here you will calculate the capital at the beginning. So as it is mentioned at the beginning, we will start with capital at the end, and we will reverse each and everything that has been done over here. Whatever things have been added, they will be subtracted, and whatever things have been subtracted, they will be added. So here less net profit, here it was added, here it will be deducted. Here net loss was deducted. To calculate the capital at the beginning, net loss will be added. Additional capital here was added, here it will be deducted, and the drawings will be added. Whatever is the end result, that is your capital at the beginning. Now the third thing, you want to calculate the net profit or the net loss. That is, any of these three things are to be calculated. In that condition, we will take the base of the statement second, इसी को ही as it is रखना. Whatever thing is missing, remove it, and whatever is left, incorporate it to find out the result of it. So if net profit or net loss is to be calculated, we will start with capital at the end, this is to be found out. So what is left? Additional capital. It will be subtracted. Drawings will be added, and we will subtract capital at the beginning, which will be given to you in the question. So the balance, if it is a positive one, will be your net profit, and if it is a negative one, it will be your net loss. Now you want to calculate your additional capital introduced during the year. In such a case, you have to calculate the additional capital introduced during the year. Fourth, to calculate additional capital, we will again start with capital at the end. Now this thing is missing and all other information is with you. So less net profit, add net loss, if any, and we will add drawings, and at the end we will subtract capital at the beginning. So the end result is your additional capital. Now the fifth statement is to calculate drawings. Here again we will start with capital at the end. Now profit is known to us, profit or loss is known to us, additional capital introduced is known to us, and the capital at the beginning is also known to us. So we will subtract net profit, we will add net loss, if any, we will subtract additional capital, and we will subtract capital at the beginning. The end result will be drawings. This answer may be a positive one and it may be a negative one. So these are the statements that are prepared for calculating the different aspects of capital and its components, that is profit or loss, additional capital, and your drawings.